Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to factory reset a Windows 11 PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to factory reset your Windows 11 PC, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on the start menu, then type here settings, click on settings. In left section you can see your systems, just click on this. After that, in right section you can see here a recovery option, just click on that. After that you can see here reset this PC, just click on reset. Here you will get two options. First option is keep my files, remove apps and settings but keep your personal files, and the second option is remove everything, remove all your personal files, apps and settings. You can select as per your requirement. After that your Windows 11 PC will be resetted. That's it guys. So in this way you can factory reset a Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.